Yellow, purple pod. All right, 1.2 division with integers. We just finished our second note of 25. Can you divide integers, yes or no?
Yes.
Let's review what we did. We talked about 4 vocab words here. The first vocab we talked about was quotient. What's a quotient? I love that. The answer to a division problem. So here's the division problem. The quotient is that number up top on top of the division house. Divisor. We use a divisor to divide things, right?
Yes.
Where's the divisor usually located in a division house?
Outside.
It splits things. It actually splits things that are inside the division house. The thing that's inside the division house is being splitted. We call that thing the
Dividend.
If you have a leftover number when dividing, what do we call that?
Remainder.
All right, here we go. Repeat after me. Does means divide.
Does means divide.
McDonald's means multiply.
McDonald's means multiply.
Serve means subtract.
Serve means subtract.
Try to do it together, though. Cheese means check answer.
Cheese means check answer.
Burgers means bring down.
Burgers means bring down.
Rare means repeat that whole process.
Rare means repeat the whole process.
So does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare helps us remember the pattern for solving long division problems, yes?
Yes.
Let's just do one real quick here. Let's do this one, okay? You guys ready? Faster we do it, the faster the video is over. Changing my color to green. Okay, so here's our problem. Our problem is 483 divided by 5, yes?
Yes.
First thing we do is divide. Does 5 go into 4?
No.
What do I put up here?
0.
Now I need to see if 5 doesn't go into 4. Does it go into 48?
Yes.
How many times does 5 go into 48?
9.
So I write the 9 up here, and then I take the 9 and I multiply it by what number?
5.
So does McDonald's is multiply. What's 9 times 5?
45.
Does McDonald's serve? What's serve stand for? What does serve stand for? What's 48 minus 45?
30.
No, what's 48 minus 45?
3.
3. Does McDonald's serve cheese? What do I do with that cheese? So is my 3 smaller than my 5? Am I good? So does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? What does burger stand for? So I'm going to bring down that next number. Do I have to draw an arrow? Put it right here, yes? Okay, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare? What does rare mean? Repeat, so I go back up to the top and I start dividing again, right? Right? So 33 divided by 5. How many times does 5 go into 33? So I put up my 6 here. What's 6 times 5?
30.
So 6 times 5 gives me 30. What do I do with that 30?
Subtract.
What's 33 minus 30?
3.
What do I do next? Check answer. Is 3 smaller than 5?
Yes.
Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? What's burger stand for? Is there anything left to bring down?
No.
So what's left over? So my answer is what?